I can't tell you how many times people come into my office and they've already spent throughout time the cost of a car in their mouth. Typically, we as consumers, our first inclination is to think that dental implants are expensive. Possibly we've heard this from a friend, or we've experienced it firsthand where we've inquired as to the cost of a dental implant. As time goes on and you start to see failing dental work, you just have to question, am I putting good money after bad? Where does the cycle end? You know, when you've just had work done several years ago and here it is again failing, needing to be replaced. So dental implants should be part of the conversation for treatment options for anybody with failing teeth, missing teeth. They just cannot be beat when it comes to longevity, durability, options. Just telling somebody, hey, if I could provide something for you that wouldn't cavity, that wouldn't be sensitive to hot and cold, that would never need a root canal, what do you think about that? Well, that's a dental implant.